In today's video, I'm going to show you eToro how to withdraw to bank account. Withdrawing money from eToro to your bank account is quite simple, but there are a few steps you need to follow carefully to make sure the funds arrive smoothly. Start by logging into your eToro account through the app or website in here and head to the menu or portfolio section. From there, select Withdraw Funds. eToro will show your available balance and you can enter the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is usually 30 USD or the equivalent in your local currency. Once you enter the withdrawal amount, eToro will ask you to choose your withdrawal method. If you have previously deposited using a debit, credit card, PayPal, or another method, eToro usually sends withdrawals back through that same method up to the amount you originally deposited. Any extra profit beyond your deposits is then sent directly to your bank account. If you want the funds to go straight to your bank, you can select Bank Transfer when prompted and enter your banking details such as your IBAN or account number and SWIFT BIC code. After you submit the request, eToro will review and process it. This can take up to 2 business days, and the funds may take another 3 to 7 business days to appear in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing time. eToro also charges a small flat withdrawal fee, so you'll see this deducted from the amount before it's sent. It's important to ensure your bank account is in the same name as your eToro account, as eToro does not allow third-party transfers. If this is your first withdrawal, eToro may also ask you for additional identity verification documents before releasing the funds. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.